Morning students. Unit 20 Breeding and Biotechnology. Last video we saw biotechnology in medicine and stem cell. In this video we are going to see DNA fingerprinting technology. DNA, human genome. Genome means genetic material has 3 billion base pair. Pair means you see the diagram 1, 2, 3, 6 up to 6, that is base pair. Did you know that DNA pattern two individuals cannot be same except identical twins? Identical twins means that twins is created from the zygote divided into two and two individual will come, that is identical twins. Each person's DNA sequence is unique to the small difference in the base pair, small difference in the base pair. Therefore, if we want to compare the genetic differences among the two individuals, that is DNA fingerprinting, is easier and quicker method. This method is developed by Alice Jeffrey. The technique analyzes each individual unique DNA sequences and provide distinct characters of individuals which help the identification. Variable number of tandem repeat sequences VN-TRS serve as molecular markers for identification. In human being, 99% of DNA sequence of the same, that is bulk DNA. The remaining 1% of DNA sequence differ from one individual to another individual. This 1% of DNA sequence is small stretch of repeated DNA, which is known as satellite DNA. Already we studied in the hereditaries, which is satellite DNA. The number of copies of a repeat sequence, also called VN-TRS, differ from one individual to another individual. The person have different types of sequence. In the picture, first person 5 different types, 5 sequence, second person, first person 6, second person 5, third person 7. The third person is have 7. Because of this DNA segment, the third person will be larger in the size of followed by DNA segment compared to first person and second person. The clear satellite DNA about the variation within the population, we can found the difference in the individual. We can find in the difference in the individual. We are going to see some applications of DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting technique is widely used in forensic application like crime. Forensic, some problems, some theft will appear. That time the police department is finding they found some hair or some fingerprint in the door or locker. That with the help of DNA technology, they found the person. Already I said DNA is not same in all person in the world. Each person is have unique. So the police department will found, that is forensic. Forensic applications like crime, investigations such as identifying the culprit. It also help in the study of genetic diversity of population, evolution and speciation. Now we are going to see genetically modified organisms. One of the most tremendous development in the genetic engineering is production of modified organism, plants and animals. Genetic modification refers to alteration or manipulation of genes in the organism using rDNA technology, recombinant DNA technology. The DNA fragment inserted in the transgene, new gene, plant or animals expressing a modified endogenous gene or foreign gene are also known as transgenic organisms. The new organism is called transgenic organisms. Transgenic plant or animal, they are much stable with improved nutritional quality, resistant to disease, tolerant to various environmental conditions. Similarly, transgenic animals are used to produce proteins of medicinal importance at low cost and improve life quality. Some examples are here. Genetically modified plants. Genetically modified plants. Example, golden rice. The improved nutritional quality rice gene inserted beta carotene gene. The beta carotene is required for the human synthesis of vitamin A. So the golden rice is created. Genetically modified rice can produce beta carotene that can prevent vitamin A deficiency. Next example, insect resistant plant. The increased crop production, beta gene from bacteria Bacillus. The gene produces protein that is toxic to insect. Insect resistant plant. Next, genetically modified animal. Transgenic sheep. First one, transgenic sheep. Improved wool quality and production, gene for synthesis of amino acid, transgenic gene exposed in the transgenic sheep. Next, transgenic fish. Increased growth in fish, salmon or rainbow trout or tilapia growth hormone gene, that is transgenic fish. Thank you.